How to create an account on the RoboForex trading platform. That's what we'll cover today. RoboForex is a broker I've been using for 2 years now. It's reliable with competitive fees and responsive customer support. It's a good choice for beginners, and we'll see that this platform is particularly useful for getting into algorithmic trading. You'll find the link in the description to sign up directly. Let's start by creating an account. You need to go to Open an account, then fill in your personal information. Once registration is complete, check your email to verify your account. Here's the email you'll receive, and you'll have a link to do the verification. After that, like with any broker, you need to verify your identity, usually with an ID card, and verify your address to fully unlock your account. I'll let you handle that part. I won't show it because it's quite simple. Just make sure to take clear photos of your documents, as image recognition can sometimes be tricky. Generally, verification is completed quickly. The second step is to deposit funds into the platform. To do this, go to Funds and Deposit Funds. You'll see various methods for making deposits. The first is via bank card, which is the fastest and the one I recommend. The second option is a bank transfer. The third is the possibility to pay in crypto if you have USDT on Binance, for example. The fourth option allows for transfers between your accounts. I recommend depositing by bank card. Here, you need to enter your information, and once the payment is confirmed, the funds will be instantly available in your account. There's no waiting period to access the funds. Once everything is in order, you'll receive a confirmation email. Now let's look at how to open an account. For this, go to Accounts. You can open a live account or a demo account. For this example, I'll open a demo account. You need to select the trading platform. In our example, we'll use MetaTrader 5. Next, for the account type, there are Pro accounts and ECN accounts. The main difference between the two is the spread and the commission structure. For example, ECN accounts have much lower spreads, but you'll have a small commission on each trade, whereas Pro accounts have a slightly higher spread but no commission. You should choose the account type based on your preferences between spread and commission. In my case, I'll choose an ECN account. Next, the Edge system allows you to decide whether you can open both buy and sell positions at the same time. By default, if it's set to yes, it's allowed. If you choose no, you can only open buy or sell trades, but not both simultaneously. I'll leave it on yes. Then you can choose your desired leverage, initial deposit amount, and your password. Once everything is ready, confirm. Your account is now created and will move on to accessing the platform. For that, go to Help. You'll have the option to download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Since I chose a MetaTrader 5 account, I need to download the MetaTrader 5 platform. Then you'll launch the installation, and once it's done, you can launch the platform. Now we're on the platform. You need to connect your trading account. To do this, go to File, Connect to a trading account, and enter the login details you just received. Make sure to select the correct account type, either Pro or ECN. I chose an ECN account. Once connected, you should see a window at the bottom showing your account balance. If it's not there, you can open it by going to View and Toolbox. To open a chart, you'll see a list of symbols. For example, AUDJPY. You can drag and drop it. The time frame can be changed here. To place a trade, right-click and enable one-click trading. You can adjust the lot size here and buy or sell. For example, I want to buy. The first time, you'll get a warning about the risks of one-click trading. I'll accept. Now, I place the trade again and you'll see that the buy order has been placed. You can view the summary of your open positions in this window. To close the position, click the small cross to close it completely. If you want to close, for example, 50% of the position, right-click, modify or delete, and choose Market Execution. Since I initially had 0.04 lots, to close half, I select 2 and close. Now you can see I have 0.02 lots left in the market, and if I want to close the position entirely, that's how to do it. To view your trade history, it's in the third window along with your account balance and a summary of past trades, showing the profit or loss for each. If you want to add a symbol, by default, not all symbols are available. To add one, click the $sign here. For example, we'll add the S&P 500 as a CFD. Here, you'll see all the symbols your broker offers. Some brokers provide more symbols than others. For the S&P 500, it's the first one. Double-click and it will be added at the bottom of the list. To display it, drag and drop it onto the chart, and here we are with the S&P 500 symbol. Now you've got the basics to get started. I'd like to add one more point. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned that I use this platform for algorithmic trading, as MetaTrader allows you to run algorithms. Let's quickly see how to do that. Open a window dedicated to algorithms by going to View and then Strategy Tester. A new window will appear. To test an algorithm, go to Simple, and in Expert, you'll see examples of available trading robots. Select the symbol the robot will run on. This window allows you to backtest the robot, meaning you can test it on historical data, which is particularly useful for optimization. If you like the robot and want to use it on your live account, close this window, go to Expert Advisors, find the free robot, drag it onto the chart and drop it. A configuration window will appear. Usually, make sure to check this box. In Inputs, you'll find all the robot's parameters that you can change. Click OK and the robot is now active. You'll see it at the top right with the robot's name and a blue hat. If the hat is gray, you need to enable algorithmic trading in the platform. Go to Tools, Options, Expert Advisors, and make sure algorithmic trading is enabled and that the first two options are unchecked, as they are checked by default. Click OK and algorithmic trading will be activated. So that's a short tutorial. If you have any questions or want to clarify any points, feel free to send a message and I'll be happy to answer. See you soon.